Today I'm cataloging 4 new bike locks that have been donated to the school for students who have forgotten their lock. This way they can come down, check them out, and their bike will be safe.
In Burlington, we are very fortunate that people are very health conscious and they ride their bikes to school. And we're trying to help them secure their bikes and have received a very generous donation from one of our students' parents of several bicycle locks so that students during the school day can be confident that their bikes are secure. It's a really neat thing and we're thankful for that.